Welcome to Top Moments TV. Today, join us in experiencing the thrilling moments of witnessing spectacular rescues, where giant wooden boats must overcome difficult challenges, dangerous challenges. This is a journey that requires courage. Get ready to begin. In the middle of the deep forest, the roar of the chainsaw echoes like a fierce whisper between man and nature, blending with the powerful echo of giant forestry machines. This is not just a daily job, but an adventurous journey, where cutting-edge equipment works in harmony with human hands and minds to create a spectacular performance in the middle of the forest. The lumberjacks, the warriors without armor, the heroes of the green forest, stand tall on the rugged mountain slopes, mastering each saw stroke, each powerful winch stroke. They are not only tree fellers, but also technical masters, brave explorers and skilled craftsmen. Each of their movements is part of a heroic dance with nature, where the smallest mistake can cost them their lives. However, they remain steadfast, facing danger with courage and endless passion for their profession. In the middle of a deserted forest road, a truck carrying timber got stuck in the middle of the dirt road. It seemed like the truck was having a hard time turning around. The heavy wheels spun, kicking up rocks and dirt, but still couldn't get out. Strong men tried their best to pull the truck out. The roar of the engine echoed through the forest, mixed with the chirping of birds in the distance, creating a scene that was both tense and strangely quiet. Oh my god, it was horrible when the truck carrying wood accidentally overturned in the middle of the road. Logs flew out. The car was completely deformed. The truck driver was okay. The heavily laden truck slowly made its way down the muddy road in the dense forest. The huge wheels sank deep into the mud, creating long, winding tracks. The roaring engine tried its best to push the entire body of the truck through the slippery mud, sometimes choking under the weight of the large logs stacked high on the truck bed. Every time the wheels turned, mud splashed, staining the chassis and the grass on both sides of the road brown. In the quiet space of the forest, the sound of the engine and the screeching of the tires echoed with effort, like a constant battle between man and nature.
So the guy down the chainsaw cuts the tree down. The guy's down there. Grab the tree, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce a wood peeling machine. A powerful and modern machine, designed to process wood quickly and efficiently. With sharp blades and automatic operating mechanism, the machine easily separates the bark from the tree trunk, preparing raw materials for the next production stages. The high-power motor and sturdy structure help the machine operate stably even when processing large volumes of wood. This is an indispensable tool in the forest products processing industry, saving significant time and effort. Pieces of wood as thin as paper, The Remed RP200 is a modern device, specialized in the forestry production industry. With a sturdy design, powerful engine and high performance, the RP200 is capable of crushing and shredding wood effectively, meeting the needs of large forestry production. Logging roads are always a challenge. The massive trucks, loaded with logs, require highly skilled and sophisticated operators. To navigate the treacherous terrain, they need to know how to use a winch, adjust the truck, and read the terrain intelligently. It's a delicate dance between man and machine. Without making you wait any longer, I would like to introduce the Tigero LS855E, a specialized machine that stands out for its powerful design and outstanding performance. Equipped with a high-power engine and modern hydraulic system, the LS855E is suitable for forestry tasks such as loading and unloading and transporting heavy timber. The small wooden house, lying quietly in the middle of the snow-covered forest, was now engulfed in a fierce fire. The red flames rose high, licking at every piece of wood, making cracking and groaning sounds. Thick black smoke billowed into the sky, carrying with it the smell of burning wood and memories of a peaceful time. The windows were shattered, the firelight shining out like angry rays, illuminating the surrounding landscape in a gloomy orange. Each roof beam fell down, turning to ashes, like a regretful farewell to the house that once sheltered so many memories. Poor tractor tried so hard to get over this steep slope with two big logs. Luckily, the excavator helped to lift the tractor up the steep slope safely. Amazing. Tethered logging is a specialized equipment in the forestry industry, designed to harvest timber on steep or difficult-to-reach terrain. The machine usually includes a fixed cable system, which helps transport timber from the logging area to the collection point safely and efficiently. The special feature of the machine is the ability to minimize the impact on the environment by limiting direct movement on the ground, helping to protect the ecosystem and forest land. Tethered logging not only increases labor productivity but also ensures higher safety for workers in challenging working conditions. Oh my gosh, poor truck carrying wood. Modern chainsaws are powerful and precise devices designed to cut wood quickly and efficiently. With high power motors and sharp saw blades, the chainsaw can operate continuously for long periods of time without encountering problems. Features such as adjustable cutting speed, anti-vibration system and safety protection enhance performance and ensure user safety. The Bobcat T770 is a powerful, versatile mini wood chipper designed to work effectively in a variety of terrain conditions. With a high-power engine and large lifting capacity, the Bobcat T770 can easily handle the job. The sturdy structure and compact size help the machine move flexibly in narrow spaces. Raptor XXL DK is a large wood crusher, a powerful industrial equipment used to process and turn wood into small pieces. With a sturdy design, the machine has a powerful engine and sharp cutting blades, helping to cut and crush wood into evenly sized pieces. The machine parts are made of durable materials, withstand strong impact during operation. Large wood crushers are often used in wood processing factories, creating byproducts such as sawdust. Wood chips are raw materials for paper production, contributing to saving raw materials and protecting the environment. BiP II is a powerful industrial wood chipper designed to process and convert wood into compact, uniform chips. With a high-power motor and sharp cutting blades, the machine is capable of crushing wood quickly and efficiently, creating ideal chips for various applications. Made from super durable materials, BiP II can operate continuously under strong impact while maintaining stable performance. The machine is often used in wood processing plants to produce sawdust, wood chips, or raw materials for paper production, contributing to saving resources and protecting the environment. The Meny M545 is a special excavator designed to work in complex and difficult terrain conditions. With a flexible boom and a height-adjustable crawler, the Meny M545 is capable of moving and working in areas that are inaccessible to conventional excavators. The machine is equipped with a powerful engine, allowing for efficient excavation, heavy material transportation and rock handling. The ability to change the tilt angle of the excavator helps improve accuracy and work efficiency, especially in construction, mining or projects that require high flexibility. Thank you for joining us for this epic event. Top Moments TV if you enjoyed seeing these powerful machines in action. Like and subscribe for more. We'll be back with more thrills content. See you next time.